Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's continue to discussing the situation on the euro currency. This is the daily time frame. So you can see that market on Friday has shown some hint on the potential respect of the current area. So you can see that this is the 1618 extension of this pattern, ABC tab. 618 target stands around this area. Also that is 127 extension of this butterfly. Well, but that is not only the reason why market could show some pullback from that area. If you will take a look at our monthly research and take a look at our charts, in our weekly analysis, you'll see that this area is 121.40 approximately, is also the 50% support on the monthly time frame of the whole rally that has started in 2000 sharp. So the 7-year rally that has finished in 2007 has the 50% support area precisely in this area. And although this level has been pierced by the market in 2008 when the first wave of the Greece crisis has come, and it has pierced to 118.75, but I suspect that this level still could work and market could find some support here to show some pullback to the upside. Although overall situation and the picture on the different time frames still intact, bears dominate over the market and rule the market, still market could show some retracement. As you can see, the previous trading week was relatively tight. That's why the pivot points stand very close to each other. Well, if we will combine on the one single chart the fib work and using of pivot points, we will see that that area is very good looking for potential entry on the short side of the market. At least that area is worth it to keep an eye on it if market will show some retracement, because as we know, when the market retraces during the long-term bear trend, it very often retraces to the weekly pivot resistance 1. Other words, first levels resistance 1 and support 1 are the major indicators of, if you could say, probability that previous move could continue. Because if market will move beyond of weekly pivot resistance 1 or weekly pivot support 1 during the bull trend, it tells that retracement probably will be deeper, or sometimes it even could lead to the reversal. From that standpoint, weekly pivot resistance 1 is very indicative, and I prefer to see the final point, the finish point of this potential pullback right around this area. It's around 123.30, 123.65 area. That is the first area to watch for. At the same time, even breakout to the upside will not be very crucial, since that consolidation looks like the bear flag on the weekly time frame. And theoretically, I could be tolerate to retracement to the 124.50 area, retracing of this lower border of this bear flag from the from below by the market, and then continue move to the downside. This at the same time will not lead to shifting trend on the daily time frame to the bullish. From that perspective, this is acceptable, but that is most preferable area as the final point of the retracement. That is unacceptable. But if market will break the 618 resistance and move to the upside, continue move to the further in upward direction, that will be a bit something different, at least in the short-term perspective. And from the bearish point of view, this is not very welcome for the bears. This could lead either to deeper retracement, maybe by this butterfly, this 1618 extension, some deeper retracement inside of the whole swing to the downside. Well, or ultimately to some reversal, but I suppose that for such kind of perspective we need some more than just the technical issues on the chart. It probably should be some kind of the fundamental foundation for this potential deeper retracement, because currently there are no changes in the overall fundamental situation and equilibrium between the US economy and Eurozone economy, since United States economy currently looks much preferable if even we will take into consideration the forecasts of the Federal Reserve System that has decreased the forecast on the gross domestic product for the United States. But even with this issue, the situation in the United States economy is better because it's just clearer than in the Euro Union. From that perspective, when markets do not like uncertainty, from that perspective they will prefer more stable markets, that is the US dollar and US economy. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Here's a couple of issues. First of all, you can see that on the 4-hour time frame trend has turned bullish, and we have this stop grabber pattern. The minimum target of this pattern probably will be previous swing high, I suppose this area. Also, if we will take a look at this, we could call it as the wedge, maybe it's the spiral channel. It's very difficult to classify definitely, but if we use the classical approach of the trading of the breakouts from some consolidation, this is counting of the width of this pattern. For instance, we will count this width of this pattern and we'll count it to the upside in the direction of the breakout. This distance will lead us to this area as well. So that is our trading plan for the coming week, particularly for starting of the week on the Monday, that we should be prepared to reaching of that area. So first of all, we will control how market will behave around the weekly pivot points, since it should open right around this area. It's around 122.47. If market will move above it, then next level to watch for is right here, 123.30, 123.65. And here we should keep an eye on the potential downward reversal patterns, since this could be the final point of the retracement. This could be some kind of the ABCD pattern on the hourly time frame, for instance, or market could form some kind of the reversal patterns around this area on the 13-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart. Maybe it will be the butterfly sale or something that could be used to enter, trying to enter on the short side of the market. Well, that is our task for starting of the week. And then, depending on how market will develop in the beginning of the week on Monday and Tuesday, we will proceed our analysis and will incorporate this changing situation in the first discussion of the euro currency.